I would say to the superintendent who is considering investing in ezLocator that it is a must. It is by far one of the most unique and advanced tools that we have.
I can sit down, plot out the entire week's hole locations. If I see one that is questionable, it's very easy to change because I know where the hole has been for the last 14 days. And that's been a really time-saving, very efficient process for me as a golf course superintendent.
I think it's a neat innovation. It's something that the superintendents have needed for a really long time. There's some science behind it, along with modern technology, and it really benefits the overall quality and playability of the golf course.
This is another tool that creates consistency and control for the superintendent in an area that is very subjective and quite often leads to a number of complaints throughout the day.
If I had a friend or a superintendent who was contemplating getting ezLocator, I would definitely tell them that there are a lot of benefits to having the program, not just costs, but overall aesthetics. Again, you're able to use the majority of your greens. It helps in tournament play. I just think there are way too many benefits to not have it.
It's a no-brainer for me because it's going to save you time, it's going to save you money, and one of the other benefits that you're going to get a 3D mapping of your green for any future projects, anything like that. It's been a big time saver for me.
It pays for itself on the back end for time savings, better setup of the golf course, and also a level of confidence that mistakes will be avoided on a daily basis. So it's definitely worth the investment.
It's an unbeatable tool.